In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has called for complete shutdown and large-scale protest demonstrations on the 5th August in the territory and urged the people to offer special prayers for the success of the ongoing freedom movement. APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, appealed to the Kashmiris living in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan and the world over to hold protest rallies to draw attention of the international community towards the Indian brutalities in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. He said that the Kashmiris would observe 5th August as Black Day and Yom-e-Istihsal to give a clear message to India that they reject its illegal occupation of their homeland and are determined to continue their freedom struggle till complete success. On 5th August 2019, Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government reappealed the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and put it under strict military siege. On the other hand, Narendra Modi's Hindutva regime attached the houses of 5 more persons in Srinagar to punish them for their affiliation with the ongoing freedom movement. The Indian authorities have already attached properties of several Kashmiris over the last few months, besides attaching properties on one pretext or another. Indian troops are regularly destroying residential houses in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir during violent military operations to render the Kashmiri people homeless. The Modi regime, as part of its nefarious designs to Indianize the occupied Jammu and Kashmir, has renamed 18 educational institutions after the Indian forces personnel who were killed in various attacks in the territory. The motive behind the move is to erase the Muslim identity of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. 2 Indian soldiers were held at Srinagar airport today after the airport security personnel recovered live rounds from their baggage. On the other hand, a 15-year-old Muslim student was locked in a room and beaten to death by 3 Hindu teachers at a private school in Kannauj city in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Upper caste Hindus attempted to strip a 38-year-old Dalit woman in Aligarh district of the same state.